Into the garage. Stunts!
$7,000 mistake right there. All right, boys, so we are out. Today, we were supposed to be on the Ventus, doing a nice little secondary ride with it, you know, pulling it out, testing it, getting a feel for it. But some guy did something weird last night. He parked in front of my house, and then he stayed there, and he watched me put my bikes away. And then he zoomed off. So I hopped on the Talaria. I chased him down. I ran this down. He was going 50-something miles an hour the whole way trying to get away from me. But he had to stop at red lights. And he kept trying to take rights on red. So what I did was I took a side street. We caught up to his ass and got his plate. Then we did a little swing around. And we had found that he parked halfway down the street, got outside his car, and was posted up. So he knew I was following him. But that's fine. I got your plate, and I got your face, don't worry. And we got locks. So anyways, that's why we're on the Talaria. Dude, Jeremy always be posting the weirdest stuff. Look, he didn't just break up with me. He video called me with his new girlfriend and she farted and they laughed saying it was me who farted. That's savage. That's wild.
Yeah.
Where the fuck did you go?
I'm fucking at the house.
Bro, I thought you guys zipped. I was like, these guys just didn't even wait. Bro, I thought you guys went so fast I couldn't catch you. Oh snap, what up? Why up? Hey guys, hey, where you going? Come on, come on, come on. Hey guys. Hey poochers, how are you doing? Hello. Hello, excuse me. Excuse me. Hello, excuse me. Are we like chilling? Okay, that's fair enough. Do you mind if I charge as well? Or can we not charge at the same time?
I don't know. Try plugging on this side over here. I think my father-in-law did some wild shit. Oh, over there with
Okay.
That's not water over there.
Okay.
I said, I think my father-in-law did some wild shit.
Nigga, you might go switch bikes.
I'm at 60. The other one was at 25, bro. Well, I just realized I was still on the phone with you. I was like, why the f I hear this echo? Damn, she looking clean. Sexy. Even if she's all lathered up. I mean, it's got the paintbrush technology.
Bro, this is what I use.
I think Jeremy
That shit gets
cleaned the top of the pool already.
Yeah, I skimmed it.
He skimmed it over.
Big small. Oh, damn, I forgot who he was with. Oh shit. Woo, there we go. They all, oh man, 30. Let's see if we can bounce it up. Yeah, see the 72 volt just doesn't have the nut to get up there sometimes. I don't know what it is. I think it's the backpack, maybe. Hey. Hey. He's going nice and slow with it. 19 miles an hour. And keeping it pretty consistent. So that's full balance point right there. That's what that is, boys. There we go. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, that was nice though. And then it's all one power band. There's no gears, so you just pop that shit up. It wasn't in park.
I would have threw you cash right
That's a $7,000 mistake right
This
there.
nigga bike not doing that. Yo, so
No, they all do that.
Oh, there he is. Nah. That's that torta life. Lean back. Lean back, yes sir. Ooh, okay, nice little beamer. Boom. There we go. Yeah. Bike life, baby, we outside.
Next time I'm making. You're gonna pay 35 for this?
35 for this, yeah.
That's Talaria?
Yeah, Talaria Triple X. So these aren't, you can't customize his as much as these because the battery's in here, so you're restricted to the battery space, you know? There we go, yeah. Ooh, that was a nice one.
En 4K.
Second time we've seen like everybody's outside. It's so nice, man. There it is, there it is, there it is. That's right. There we go. Yeah, they're nice. It's that torta life. Oh, damn. Oh. See? Your shit hold. Yeah, your shit broke. Look. That shit hold up. Yo, your shit's smoking. That is smoking.
You gonna go get your Ventus?
I was thinking of riding this till it's like down to 30 and then getting the Ventus. And we out. Oh, damn, I like that. I need to get gas. Where do I put it? Where do I put it? Every single one of those lights is like 400 bucks, right? This is sick. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Yeah, I like your shit. Nice. He's even got the fork covers. You got everything done up. Yeah, it looks nice. This whole shit clean as hell.
Got it,
Cash.
Alrighty, bro.
Front door service for me? Thank you.
Come on out,
Thank you.
What'd you buy for us?
I got some goodies.
You only got. Alright, you can see a Red Bull.
He said, oh, well, no, he only asked me for a Red Bull, just one.
Right into the garage. Dang! And then it went over. That was my daughter, bro.
Oh my God.
She got on
No.
Just like that, bro. It was right in front of the garage.
Oh
about
my
badass dad,
God.
nigga. That's crazy.
There he is. There he is. Oh. But we might be going more downtown. And you gotta do something for the camera. I want to see some nice chumo. So.
Oh no.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you're the hooligan. That's your role. Remember? Oh, he scraped it. Ooh, scraping the chuma. Look, the whole squad's coming. Damn, he's clean with it. Nice with it. Ooh. Is that stock? It's stock? I think they're going to Holyoke. Oh, there he is. Okay. Okay, he's good. Hey, 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 hey. We doing it Godzilla big here on Sunday. How's it going?
Thick sauce like Poupon, from the bay like Cool John. Rich thoughts I'm bossed up. When it fit my plate, I know they nauseous. I keep cautious. When she tryna be booed up, she don't know I know about her roster. Act like you knew us. I'ma be him to the coffin. I'm back in the gym, I'm ballin'. Cut back on the gym with a tonic. I'm tryna fill up my pocket. She want me to hit in the bunny. I'm tryna cut me a rocket, get high. Let's go what I wanna know.
We're going at a relatively fast speed, but I'm not going crazy with the wheels and I'm not going crazy with the speed. So I wouldn't say it's like conservative, but I'm trying to be as conservative as I can be with this faster pace ride. This Celeria doesn't keep up with the Chumas. The Ventus, on the other hand, eats the Chumas alive. Eats them alive. Dunzo. It's a wrap. It's a wrapperoni sandwich.
Stress-free living, now I did my time, my mind was prison. Now the safest laced with plenty pages, bitch, I'm winning. Sick when you see me beat my curses, I deserve it. See me pushing down 580, heavy grinning. I could tell I know they mad, cause I know my purpose. I'm about my bag, cause I deserve it. I'm about my bag, and I know my purpose. Hands on the wheel, you can see me swerving. Could tell I'm about my bag, cause I know my purpose. I'm about my bag, cause I deserve it. I'm about my bag.
See, you're so clean with it.
Hands on the wheel, you can see me swerving. Tell I know.
What's up, my nigga? Heard you got that on you, you wick. Heard you keep one hand on the switch. Heard you keep the
No, you said something. I'm nervous. No, I know. You scared me. You scared me. I crumble under the pressure. What are you getting?
Whatever they got. Make sure you get your shit. I want to hear you speaking Spanish.
Oh, okay, I got you. Dos empanadillas de carne y queso, por favor.
¿Tú no has pedido?
No, empanadillas. No, yo
Él no ha pedido, tú no has pedido.
¿En empanada o empanadillas?
A ver, pregúntale en inglés porque si ya yo tiré una orden. Mira, ¿tú no sabes inglés?
Bro, I was like, yo, what? Yeah, I'm about to get the little lippy out. Alright guys, we got the all new Ventus One Plus all race ready out for the second night. She's been tearing up the night. We got everything. Just everywhere. Holy shit, it's so hard to keep it down, bro. Once we hit that pole, I just take off. Dude, these guys are, that's hilarious. God damn, it's crazy out, bro. Holy shit. Dude, there's, oh my. Let's just say some crazy shit happened. Some absolutely nutty shit, bro. And we got the whole squad. Oh shit, dude's plates is falling off. They're scraping.